I am having the most delicious soup. It's the most delicious soup, and I'm going to show you in a video how to make this. It takes less than 5 minutes to make, and it's so delicious. And just look, I have to show you these udon noodles, these big fat chewy noodles, these big fat Japanese rice cakes, and the flavor is so good. I'm going to do a whole video on that Japanese soup. So I'll be right back. Hey beauties, I've got some great products to show you today. They were all given to me. I'm just so happy. They were just so kind. What do you see? But before I show you them, I want to show you the lipsticks that I have mixed on today. They're all coral because I'm wearing a coral top. I'm wearing coral nail polish. It's called Coral Reef by Sally Hansen Extreme Wear, which is not my favorite compared to the Insta-Dry. The Insta-Dry is hands down the best. That's a one-coat wonder. This, 2 coats, but it matches. So today I used Vegas Volt, Coral Bliss, and Sushi Kiss. And I just want to show you that I replace all my MAC lipsticks with these clear plastic caps so I can see what lipsticks, because I have about 20 MACs. And, you know, it's time consuming just going up and down trying to figure out which one is which. So this way, they all look so cute. And they're very inexpensive, the little caps. And I'll put a link down below. So that's what I'm wearing. And let's get into the goodies that were sent to me. Okay, you know when I get excited, I gotta share. Today I received a wonderful, wonderful gift from this company called Rose Forever. They sent me the largest, the biggest, the most expensive one they had. They gave me a discount code too. So for $20 off. Now, these are dried flowers that they hand dry by artisans, and the top of the line roses, and they last a whole year. They are put into a Parisian hat box. It's a tremendous box. This is the largest one they have. It's like 12 by 18, and you can pick any color flowers. There's lavender, lilac, blue, dark blue, baby blue, hot pink, baby pink, red, black, white, yellow. It's so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. Let's just look at it right now. Look, 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 look. Oh, it just goes with my whole decor. It's fun, it's cute, it's quirky, it's classy. Oh, I don't know what else to say. It's just so fabulous. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rose Forever. I'm just so happy with it. There are, I believe, 36 dried roses in here. Oh, so beautiful. And let me just read to you what they say about their roses and how they're made. Rose Forever is a company based in New York, specialized in handcrafted eternity arrangements. Made of 100% natural fresh flowers that will last at least 1 year. They can be offered as a heartfelt gift for decoration purposes or any given occasion. Anniversary, birthday, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. Our products are made with the best quality preserved roses on the market at a significantly lower price compared to our competitors. Here is a $20 off personal discount code for all your subscribers to enjoy, and I'll put that down below. So I am just over the moon. Thank you. It's really nice to get a gift like this with a presentation like this. It's just incredible. Wow. Look how big. So thank you so much, Rose Forever. Thank you for reaching out to me. Thank you so much. Now, another company sent me an incredible product too. This is just amazing too. It's called NowMe. I do get sent a lot of face tools and gadgets and They know that I like it, and they must think I need it. So this is called NOWMI, NOWMI. NOWMI Pro, one device, a complete facial solution. It's a weekly spa quality facial, sonic exfoliation, sonic nourishment, sonic oxygenation, plus a daily sonic facial cleansing multivitamin. So let's open this and see. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and textured imperfections, hydrates skin and restores volume, renews, glows, and revitalizes dull complexion, deeply cleanse pores and facial skin, nourish skin with vitamin C, B, B3, B5, and Dead Sea minerals. This opens up. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. We have a silicone gadget, waterproof. It has the silicone little scrubbies there, and then it's got a space here. That's the light, and this is the charger. Ooh, okay, there's 2 layers here. Okay, so here we have, I believe this is the vitamin C effervescent tablets. So that's the top layer. Now this is the bottom layer. In the bottom layer, there's 2 tubes. One is the facial cleansing gel made with vitamins E, B3, B5, and Dead Sea minerals. And the other tube is vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, recommended for use with NOWMI vitamin C effervescent tablets to ensure results. This is the lubricant gel. You take this tablet, looks like a Alka-Seltzer, you put it in here. It comes with a wire to charge. You put it in there, and then you put it into your USB port, and when it's charged it will light up, and then you have 2 sides. The interaction between the gel and the vitamin C effervescent tablet creates millions of micro CO2 bubbles which create an oxygen facial effect. The effect is further enhanced by the sonic energy which degasses the CO2 micro bubbles. Wow, that's sonic oxygenation. Then sonic exfoliation is essential using a combination of sonic energy and a vitamin C rich tablet. The exfoliation cleanses and smooths the skin and allows for optimal infusion of active ingredients into the skin. The sonic nourishment is the application nourishes the skin with pure vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid. The 6,000 sonic pulsations per minute enhance the infusion of these active ingredients into the epidermis. The sonic face brush gently cleanses the skin using a combination of sonic energy and a multivitamin cleansing gel. Woo! I cannot wait to try this. I need to get it charged up first, and then I need to experiment with it. And I love how they thought of sending it to me, because I really appreciate it. So every day you could use the cleansing gel and the scrubby side. Once a week you can use the vitamin C tablet with the lubricant gel. Wow, so that's pretty easy. Just have to get it charged up and give it a go, and I'll let you know how it all turns out. But I just want to thank NOWMI for thinking of me and for sending this to me. NOWMI sent it to me and thought of me. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful sonic gadget for my face. I really appreciate it. So that's it for today. I want to give a shout out to a dear friend on here on my social media. It's Laura Lee. She follows me on all my social media. She's always popping up. I appreciate you so much. And thank you, Laura Lee, for being here on social media with me. It makes it more fun. So thank you so much. Love you, honey. And today's shout out is for you, Laura Lee. Thank you. So I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you all.